you know that our earth is actually round like the ball?
But we live on flat land. How can we live on a round surface? Wouldn't we fall off? Well, long ago, people believed that the earth was flat. But some explorer who went around the earth proved that it is indeed round in shape.
In fact, the shape of the earth is spherical.
Now we are going to learn about the earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet known to have an atmosphere that contained oxygen. Earlier, it was believed that the earth was flat. In the year 1519, Ferdinand Magellan, a sailor from Portugal, set out in a westward directions. After sailing for 3 years, some members of the ship's crew reached the same port from where they had begun their voyage. This established that the earth was round and not flat. Continents and oceans. You have already studied that the big land masses on the earth's surface are called continents, and the large continuous masses of salt water are called oceans. Seas, gulfs, and bays are the smaller parts of these oceans. There are 7 continents in the world. These are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the largest continent and occupies one third of the world's total land area. This continent is surrounded by oceans on the 3 sides. To the north lies the Arctic Ocean, to the east lies the Pacific Ocean, and to the south is the Indian Ocean. India and China, the two most populous countries in the world, are located in this continent. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. To its north lies the Mediterranean Sea, to the east lies the Indian Ocean, and to the west the Atlantic Ocean. Africa has diversity in landforms. It is home to the Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world, the Nile River, the longest river in the world, and Mount Kilimanjaro, which is the highest mountain in Africa. North America is the third largest continent in the world. It is bordered by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, and the Pacific Ocean in the west. It has high mountains such as the Rockies and the large lakes such as the Great Lakes, which is a group of 5 fresh water lakes. This continent is the home to many developed countries of the world, such as the United States of America and Canada. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. Both the America are joined by the Isthmus of Panama. A range of mountains called the Andes lies in the western part of the South America. The famous Amazon rainforests are located here. Antarctica is the coldest and the fifth largest continent in the world. It is also called the White Continent, as it is always covered by a thick carpet of ice and snow. Due to its extremely cold climate, it is the world's only continent which has no permanent human habitation. Europe is the sixth largest continent in the terms of size. Europe and Asia are together called Eurasia and form the longest stretch of land on earth. Europe is bordered by Mediterranean Sea in the south, Asia to the east, and the Atlantic Ocean in the west. Developed countries such as the United Kingdom and France are part of Europe. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. It is the only continent which is also a country. It is an island and is surrounded by the water on all sides. Australia is famous for its Great Australian Desert and the Great Barrier Reef. There are five oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. A rich variety of plants and animals are found in these oceans. Together, they are called marine life. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. It covers 30% of the Earth's surface. It separates the two Americas from Asia and Australia. Some of the world's most active and dormant volcanoes are found in the basin of the Pacific Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the world's second largest ocean. It separates Europe and Africa from the North America and South America. There is an underwater mountain range on its floor known as the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Although this ridge is mostly underwater, a portion of it is elevated enough to extend above the sea level. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. It lies to the south of Asia and is named after India, which lies at its head. It separates East Africa from Australia. It is warmer than the Pacific, Atlantic, and Arctic Ocean.
Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean is the fourth largest ocean in the world. It is located around the South Pole near Antarctica. The southern portion of the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Indian Ocean combine to form the Southern Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. It is located around the Arctic Circle. It is frozen during the winter season. During summer, the ice melts to form large icebergs and floating islands. Thank you for watching this video.